In today's video, we're walking you through how to add the cash on delivery payment option to your Odoo website. If you want to let customers pay when their order arrives at the door, this guide will make it easy and hassle-free. First, head over to your Odoo dashboard, log into the database or instance you're using, then go to the Apps section. Once there, use the search bar and type Cash on Delivery. You should see a module pop up with that name. Click Install to add it to your system. A quick heads up, this module only works if your database is part of an active Odoo subscription. If you're on a free trial or testing instance, you might see a message saying your database is locked and requires a valid pricing plan to continue. Make sure that's sorted first. Once installed, the setup is simple. Follow the prompts, verify your email, fill in any necessary merchant information, and set preferences like which countries or delivery methods will support cash on delivery. You can also customize messaging at checkout to let customers know the option is available, which helps avoid confusion. After going live, customers will see the COD option at checkout, making it convenient for those who prefer paying in person. This is particularly useful in areas where online payment isn't common, or for first-time buyers who want to build trust before paying online. Finally, make sure your delivery team or courier service can handle COD orders. Proper internal coordination ensures payments are collected correctly and efficiently, reducing errors and delays. Following these steps helps you offer a reliable COD option, improving customer satisfaction, building trust, and potentially boosting your sales. By clearly communicating the COD process at checkout and training your team, you can make cash on delivery a seamless part of your e-commerce operations.